Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you what to do if your audio isn't working on the Alienware Aurora 16. If you can't hear sound from your speakers, first regulate the sound volume using the dedicated buttons on your keyboard or the control center. To access the control center, click these three icons in the bottom right corner and adjust the volume. Also click here to select your output device and make sure your default speakers are selected. Try disabling and re-enabling spatial sound to see how it affects your sound volume. If you still can't hear any sound, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Expand the Audio Inputs and Outputs menu, right-click your speakers, click Uninstall Device, confirm, then restart your computer and let it redetect your speakers. After your laptop restarts, check your speakers again to see if they are working properly. If they're not, launch the Dell Support Assist application, which should be pre-installed, or download it from the official Dell Support website. Here you can update your software, basically the drivers. Just launch the check for updates, and if your audio system needs any updates, you'll be able to download and install them in a couple of minutes. If you have any hardware issues, you can check your hardware by selecting Scan Hardware and running the scan. Once the scan ends, you'll see results for each hardware element, including your audio devices. If nothing fixes your issue, go to the support page, scroll down to Get Support, click Get Started, and reach out to a Dell agent directly about your issue. That's it for this video. I hope it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing, leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.